You know, I used to think that losing weight was all about the latest diet fad or some miracle pill that would magically melt away the pounds while I sat on the couch binge-watching my favorite shows. But then I discovered the treadmill, and it changed everything. I remember the first time I stepped on that moving belt, my heart racing, not just from the exercise, but from the sheer intimidation of it all. I mean, it's just a machine, right? But it felt like it was judging me, like it knew how many times I had tried and failed to stick to a workout routine. At first, I could barely manage 5 minutes without feeling like I was going to collapse. My legs were screaming, my lungs were burning, and my mind was filled with thoughts of giving up. But something clicked. I realized that this was my chance to take control, to push through the discomfort and find a rhythm. So, I kept going. I started with a slow walk, gradually increasing my speed. And before I knew it, I was running. The treadmill became my escape, my therapy. I could lose myself in the music, the rhythm of my feet hitting the belt, and the steady beat of my heart. And let me tell you, the weight started to come off. It was like magic. I could feel my body changing, my clothes fitting better, and my confidence soaring. I learned to love those endorphins, that rush of energy that came after a solid cardio session. It was addictive. I began to experiment with intervals, alternating between sprinting and walking, and that's when I really saw results. I'd be drenched in sweat, gasping for air, but I felt alive. I was doing something for myself, something that mattered. I started setting goals, small at first. A mile without stopping, then 2. I began to track my progress, celebrating each milestone. It wasn't just about the number on the scale. It was about how I felt, how strong I was becoming. I could run longer, faster, and with more confidence. The treadmill became a symbol of my journey, a testament to my determination. Now, I can't imagine my life without it. It's not just a piece of equipment. It's a part of my routine, my lifestyle. I've learned that losing weight isn't just about the physical changes. It's about the mental shift, the realization that I am capable of more than I ever thought possible. So, here I am, still running, still pushing, still striving for that next level. And I know that every step I take on that treadmill is a step toward a healthier, happier me.